Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Metatrader Force account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Metatrader Force account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Metatrader 4 application. The home page of Metatrader application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Tap on Manage Accounts option. On the next page, click on plus icon at the top right side and tap on Login to an existing account option. Now enter your login credentials and click on Sign In. In case if you want your password to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Save Password. This is how you can log into your Metatrader Force account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.